Good day, learners! Today, we will learn about the different parts of an email and how to send messages using email in a safe and responsible manner. By the end of our lesson, you will be able to identify the parts of an email and practice proper email etiquette. Before we begin, let's look at our learning objectives. Today, we will identify the parts of an email, explain the purpose of each part, and learn how to send emails safely and responsibly. Email stands for electronic mail. It allows people to send and receive messages using the internet. Aside from text messages, we can also send pictures, videos, documents, and other files through email. Email is useful for communication. Students use email to send assignments, receive announcements from teachers, share files, and participate in online learning activities. An email has several important parts. These include the To field, subject line, message body, attachment option, CC, BCC, and the Send button. Let us learn about each one. The To field is where we type the email address of the person who will receive our message. Always double-check the address to make sure the message goes to the correct person. The subject line gives a brief description of the message. A clear subject helps the receiver understand the purpose of the email before opening it. The message body is where we write our actual message. We should use polite greetings, clear information, and respectful closing statements. Attachments are files that we send together with our email. Before sending, make sure that the correct file is attached. CC allows other people to receive a copy of the message. BCC also sends a copy, but the recipients cannot see who else received it. After checking your message, subject, and attachments, click the Send button to deliver your email. This is an example of a properly written email. Notice the greeting, clear message, and respectful closing. To stay safe online, never share your password with others. Always log out when using a public computer. Check the recipient's email address and verify attachments before sending. Responsible email users are respectful and careful. Use appropriate language, provide truthful information, and always think carefully before sending a message. There are things we should avoid when using email. Never share passwords, open suspicious links, send hurtful messages, or reveal personal information to strangers. Let's check your understanding. Read each question carefully and identify the correct part of the email being described. Today, we learned the parts of an email and their functions. We also learned how to use email safely and responsibly. Remember to be respectful, careful, and responsible whenever you communicate online. Thank you for participating in today's lesson. Do you have any questions about the parts of an email or how to use email safely and responsibly?